this video is more on the odd side, but I have decided to make something. I've making a sandwich for a video for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I'm just still gonna do it. Let's call it a tutorial now. Meat. I just picked up some sharp background. Yeah, it's being, I don't know why. But it's really sharp. So let's cut tomato. Oh boy. Let's put tomatoes on top. Okay, so it's getting a little too big, so let's do this. Yes. Now, let's take cheese. I'm gonna make some slices. Okay. So, put that there. Cheese. And another piece of cheese. So the last one will be salad. That well I will be adding on this. So like that. Yeah. Something like that. And now you just cut it in half. Actually not now. Like when you do this, now it's time to cut this. This video is odd for sure, I can tell you that. Did anything even happen? Actually, I'm pretty sure people can hear me. I hope so. And then let's just cut this. Okay. So this is how you make a good sandwich. Okay, now on.